And now to a murder case that fascinated the nation a decade ago. You'll remember, 24-year-old congressional intern Chandra Levy disappeared back in 2001 amid allegations of an affair with California Congressman Gary Condit. Well, police focused their investigation almost exclusively on Condit, potentially overlooking other possible suspects. Levy's body was found more than a year after her disappearance in a ravine in Washington's Rock Creek Park. Well, the case went cold for almost a decade until March of 2009 when police arrested Salvadoran immigrant Igmar Guantanique. Well, Guantanique was already serving time for assaulting two women in the same park where Chandra Levy's body was found. He was convicted back in 2010 of her murder, and he is currently serving a 60-year sentence. Well, now Guantanique says his prosecution was, quote, predicated on a lie, and he wants a new trial. Let's bring in our legal guys. Avery Friedman, good to see you, a civil rights attorney and law professor in Cleveland. This is like a, reunion here for us as well.
Oh,
We're
my goodness,
and
how
herbs, by the way.
wonderful to see you.
And
Wow.
Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor, joining me from Las Vegas. Good to see you guys.
Hey, Fred, welcome back.
Well,
you
look
thank
great.
you.
That's
Thanks
for
so
sure.
much.
So happy to have you back.
It's
Wow.
great to be back and great to be talking with you guys. This is a fascinating case, has been all the while, and now we're talking about documents from the case that have been unsealed. This is incredible because, Richard, for a very long time it was, it was unsolved, and then it was sort of solved, and now questions still surround it. So are we talking about potentially reopening this case top to bottom?
Oh, yeah, top to bottom, Fred. They focus entirely on Gary Condit. That was their target. He was in the bullseye. They didn't look at any other possibilities. Then when that went dry, they slapped together this conviction based on a jailhouse informant snitch. His testimony was the one that did it.
And that was
Nothing
the primary
else.
piece of evidence?
That was it. No DNA, nothing. Just this
Right, no
jailhouse
DNA,
snitch
right.
trying to get out of prison. And now, apparently, as Avery said, there's some bombshell information that undermines it. The defense says that the prosecution knew about this for at least a year, didn't disclose it. That's unethical. Sounds right. Sounds like there's going to be a new trial here, Fred.
All right, so we may be reliving this all over again.